Morning, it's all things Defender. Today is the day we take it for an MOT. 8:30 in the morning, it's all booked in. I'm going to drop it off with him, he'll have it all day. Hopefully he'll just let me know when it's done. So here we go. First time it's been on the road for about 3 or 4 months. All seems to be working alright. We'll find out when the MOT man tells me if it's good or bad. Fingers crossed it's going to be alright. We'll get it back on the road properly, get some new lights in it. I don't know what else. We'll polish it up, we'll paint some bits on it. Make it look a bit cleaner. Yeah, I think the first few mods I'm going to do on this car, put some decent lights on it, put the short stick shift changer on it, maybe a new steering wheel as well. The steering wheel's massive, and obviously those with Defenders will know. Most of you driving with the windows open, but it's raining today, so windows shut, not much space. So yeah, maybe a small steering wheel, and ultimately some new seats in it, I think. Right, here we are in the garage. Is there space in it? Nah, there never is space in it. Let's go into there, look around. There we go, all tucked up back in the barn, in the dry. Horrible day out there today, really wet and windy. Just picked it up from the garage, it has passed. Just a few little advisories. As you can see, I'll just pop them on the screen now, only very minor ones. So I'll get those sorted and then we'll have a totally clear MOT. So thanks for watching, see you on the next one.